Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've opened Capcut and imported your media. Now add the text layer where it should appear. First, place your background clip on the main track and position the playhead at the start point. Then tap Overlay and choose Text to insert a new text object. Once added, type your words, pick a font, and roughly size it. This prepares the layer for transparency work. Make sure your text duration matches the clip, because precise alignment saves time in the next steps. Select the text overlay and open style to control appearance. You'll find opacity as the simplest control, so lower it to the desired see-through level. If you want a more integrated effect, switch blend modes, screen brightens, multiply darkens, so adjust until the text reads but shows the background. For a hollow or cutout look, apply mask or background remover on the overlay, then invert the mask so the text area becomes transparent. Tweak feather and edges, so the transparency looks intentional and clean. Finish by refining timing, feather, and any motion. Animate opacity or position so the transparent text reads against changing backgrounds. When exporting, remember, to preserve alpha transparency, you need a codec that supports it, otherwise merge the text over your background before export. If you don't see transparency, make sure the text overlay sits above the clip, the mask is inverted, and the blend mode isn't negating opacity. If edge artifact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.